This is how you draw an electric energy ball. First, you get a lightning energy ball. Then you trace around the energy ball like this. Then you draw the circle for the lightning sign, and then you do a zigzag sign for the lightning bolt. Then you need a line through the top and a little one through the bottom. Just like this. Then at the top you write energy, like this. They're all in capitals. Then you do another circle at the top and do the same zigzag line. Then you color that zigzag line in. But if you can't, you can just color the whole circle in. And then you do one line across. Then you do one over there. Keep on going. Then no line there, but there is a line over here. Then you just connect these. One line from the top and here. Then you should do one line down like that, then a diagonal line, then back up, then turn, then a diagonal line, and same as the other side. Then you do across there and up to the energy ball, and the same as the top. Now you color it in. All of this part is yellow except the middle. If you know what the colors are, you can just color them in. Or you can color them in whatever color you want. And make sure you don't color in the bottom or the top. Then you color in the middle, black. And now you need some more yellow that's small, and make sure it can fit inside here. Then get a lead pencil and draw a zigzag line on top of it. Then get a lead pencil again and carefully color in this to make the color grey and the bottom. If you don't know the things how to do this, you need a yellow pen, a lead pencil, and a lightning energy ball.